And real quickly, I wanted to show you this other really cool floor plan from Coachmen. This is another Chaparral. This one has a different type of storage up front here that actually wraps into the main front storage area. This is massive. So instead of turning this into a small kitchen, they basically made this another entry point into the main basement storage up front. Very nice. Same aluminum steps, pretty much the same floor plan except for a few differences. So let me show you real quick. Again, you walk in, you can go straight into the bunkhouse, but this one, like some other bunkhouses, has a loft. Has a really, really large loft too. This area is almost the size of a king-size bed. It's massive. All your TV connections. Exact same bathroom. King-size bed. So the bedroom, the bathroom, and the bunkhouse are similar, but you have a huge loft above the bunkhouse. They also give you a really nice little coat closet here, and you get an island. So you get an island. You do lose some shelving. You do lose some countertop space. So your countertop space is mainly going to be here and right there. You get, of course, your oven stove combination. They give you a nice and interesting pantry area. So you have a pretty spacious pantry. I mean, it has its own door and everything. It's very nice. Compact residential refrigerator, same as the other one. Now, if you notice, the big difference here is that your theater seating is on this wall versus this wall, and you have a much larger TV here. This is a 60-inch TV, as well as a different fireplace, different setup here. The reason why is because behind this is your outside kitchen, and then they give you some more storage here as well. So your dinette area is on the same side as normal, but your living room area is kind of oriented on the other side. This unit has a $70,000 MSRP, and generally the asking price for one of these is going to be about the $52,000 range. Again, dual AC units. This one's fully ducted, and the one in the master bedroom is also ducted. Coming into the bunkhouse area, it is a slightly smaller bunkhouse. You still get a lot of cabinetry here. You get your TV mount and everything. You do not have a top bunk. So this is going to convert into a queen-size bed, but there is no top bunk above it. But just take a look at this crazy, crazy large storage area. The basement in this unit is massive. So it's essentially the same size as the other one I showed you, but again, you don't have that outside kitchen area, and you have a much deeper spot over here for storage as well. Again, you can see the radiant barrier used in the floor, full aluminum floor construction, and it's double side welded. From a structural perspective, very nice. Guys, in terms of value, it's really hard from a construction and a feature perspective, as well as a floor plan layout perspective, to find a better value than the Chaparral. That's one of the reasons why we went with it versus another brand. We got all sorts of features that we wanted, and we got it at a price point that we were much happier with. Here's the outside kitchen area. Look at that. You get a 50-inch TV outside, refrigerator, as well as a cooktop, but no sink. I really wish it had a sink. And then you have these little pull-out drawers that give you a cook prep area also. Plus, this opening on the side is massive. It's about 5 feet deep, so it gives you a pretty significant kind of awning coverage area if you're going to be cooking outside. This is a really, really nice coach. And who knows, we may end up just getting another Chaparral, because we've been very impressed with ours. We've been very happy with the overall quality of the unit. After doing some of the upgrades that we've done, we've been very impressed with the performance while towing it. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to give you a quick look at this one. This is the 392 MBL, and we really like it. The other unit had a gross vehicle weight rating of 14,500 pounds, and this one also has a 14,500 pound gross vehicle weight rating. Cargo capacity of 1,811 pounds. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please take a moment, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and we'll talk to you very soon. Thank you, everyone.